welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I know it's been a while since I've actually uploaded a video, although I got tons that I need to edit. Just working these new hours, I just don't feel like sitting in front of the computer screen and editing these. But the reason why I'm doing it this way and going straight into YouTube is because notification we had on the board when I got to work, which is where I'm leaving from right now, is work. First time I ever seen where they posted on the board, all overtime is canceled. Ooh, I'm gonna turn my headlights on because it is foggy. It was foggy yesterday morning too. Someone's just standing right on the edge of the road, and I mean, you couldn't see him until he just all of a sudden appeared because of how foggy it is. Anyway, rear defroster's on. That's not the only thing that they've talked about, which the first shift supervisor went over, just in case our supervisor didn't make it clear, although he didn't actually do the meeting, we read whatever it is up on the board. Pretty much, which is the way I've heard a lot of places doing, if you're sick, running temperature, stay home. Which I did say in this a letter a couple of weeks ago saying, you know, if we end up with the virus, don't come back for 14 days. Well, now they're saying if you're sick, running temperature, you know, don't come in. And the reason I'm doing the video isn't because of that. It's just because when I first heard all this, I'm like, I can see how so many people could abuse that. The thing about it is, you're out of work, you're not making no money. But if you can afford the time off and want it, I guess this is a sneaky way of doing it. Well, I was talking to one of the ones I work with, and I agree with her that it may be one of those where you have to come up with a doctor's excuse. So I said, if you're sick, you know, not sick enough to be out of work, then go at least see a doctor. The thing about it is, it's going to be hard to see doctors at times. May have, you know, their appointments filled up. I'm telling you right now, grateful some of these people have headlights on, because I can't see them until they're nearly right there on me. And two of them behind the ones that has the lights on, they don't have their lights on. I don't know if y'all can tell how foggy it is in the back glass or not. Now, I can give y'all a little bit of updates of some of the stuff that's been going on that I haven't posted, but I do have some videos on. One is the installation of a rear view mirror in the camera, which this has got a DVR that records, which is recording right now. It can record the front and reverse. I put it in reverse. It'll show the backup picture. And I can switch the cameras from going solid front, solid rear, or double screen. But what it is it shows the front in a squared area, and then a little bitty small corner has got the rear, so you got both of them going at the same time. I haven't reviewed any of the videos that it takes, and it does loop. When I bought it, well, I have two, and if you watch any of my other videos, I talk about getting them from Wish, because I bought one And then I bought the second one, not realizing I've already bought the first. One I paid more for than the other one, even though they pretty much came from the same place. Now, the other day, which is 2 days ago, or it might have been yesterday even, but I think it was 2 days ago, I have purchased another rear view camera mirror, and I already know I'm melting it in my truck. And I paid more than what both of these that I paid for. Wow, the truck was just pulling out of the I guess the construction site is where they're working out through a new subdivision, and I mean I barely could see the truck pull out. He's got his lights on, but it's just it's a big white truck, and it just makes it blend some of that fog until you get to it. So hopefully people are doing like me and driving a little bit slower than what they normally would. But this other new rear view mirror that I bought is a complete touchscreen. Unfortunately, this one's not, but it does have settings you can do. But the one that, which I have done some videos talking about, I'd like to have the more upgraded kind. And just so happened I was on Facebook, came across it, and I was looking at one, I was like, yeah, this is exactly what I want. It's weird how they have those advertisements. They know what you're searching. And I checked it out, and it was a very, very good price. It was under $30 anyway. It was regular $44, I think it was $29 something. And I paid the extra shipping to get it shipped within, I think it said 3 to 7 days. And it ended up bringing it back up to close to the $44 mark, what they done. But get it to me quicker, that's fine. Or actually, it's great. The downside right now, because the virus going around, all the shipments seem to slow down. As a matter of fact, the mail, I don't even think the mail run at all yesterday. And I'm still waiting on a particular item in the mail. I don't know exactly when. Excuse me, my throat's getting stuffy or itchy, or however you explain that. And yes, I know just about every video you'll hear about people feeling a little sick. I don't feel sick. This is just a dry cough stuff that happens because it's already that time of year. It's warming up. Yeah, I got the coat on, but it is warming up, and pollen is in the air, so my allergies is going to be acting up. Right now, I am just heading up to the grocery store and making a quick stop, because yesterday I got something to eat for my breakfast, because a lot of restaurants, well, you can't dine in. When I eat, I like to dine in, so I just got me something to bring home, which is a salad, and I forgot to get salad dressing while I was at it. It probably comes with some salad dressing, but it's not the salad dressing that I like. So, which when I got home, I was looking like I didn't have any, but I already had some other breakfast to eat, so I ate that. Should have actually brought it to work, but kind of didn't think about it because my sleeping arrangement, my body's now trying to get used to working these hours, and I pretty much woke up, realized, hey, it's time to get ready. Well, I woke up because of my alarm, so got ready and everything, and then I was like, well, I left it at the house. I bought me a lunchbox even so I could start bringing food. I keep forgetting to put stuff in it and bring it. because the vending machine they got down there don't have stuff that really that I can eat. A few things that I can nibble on. And the drink machines, we're lucky if the guy's got the thing full or not. And some of them you can't tell what the price is, because some of the Pepsi products, it says $1.25. You press it, it may say the price of, well, it may say sold out or not say nothing at all. And if you put $1 in and then try to put a quarter in, it don't take the quarter. So I ain't figured that out. I've had to settle with Coke. Not saying Coke's bad, but I don't need the extra sugar. I do drink something caffeinated like it every now and then, so I can have that little extra boost to make it through the rest of the day. Now if this light will ever change. It's weird. I can see the red light, and then past it is just a big wall of white. Fog is, I guarantee you, 2 times thicker than what it was yesterday when I got off work at this time. And I thought it was pretty bad then. But fortunately, right here is also where I'm stopping at. Now I just have to find a place to park. Oh, as a matter of fact, see exactly where I want to park at. It's a bit close to the exit. So I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully it wasn't too long. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.